Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. The planning and implementation of each road building project begins with a road survey, which is an essential phase in the process. It entails the gathering of information on the topography, soil type, and drainage patterns of the area in question, among other physical characteristics of the place. After then, a thorough strategy for the road building project is produced by using the aforementioned facts. In the realm of road surveying and design, SCON Design India Private Limited is among the most reputable and successful businesses. They guarantee the accuracy of the data collecting and analysis by using the most recent innovations in both technology and equipment. Their team of specialists has years of expertise in conducting road surveys, and as a result, they are able to provide insightful advice and suggestions for any road building project. By enlisting the assistance of SCON Design India Private Limited for the road surveying aspects of your project, you can be certain that it will be carried out in an accurate and timely manner. Thanks for watching.